Do you know you can rewire your brain? Do you know that? Just how you think, what you think, and how you use them to make progress in your life. There's something that is called schemas. That's S-C-H-E-M-A-S. S-C-H-E-M-A-S. Schemas. It's another word for the frame of your mind and thinking with regard to your belief systems. The things that you believe, your core beliefs that control how you live, conduct yourself, what you do, are called schemas. And as psychologists, we want to help you reframe, reshape your schemas. Some of them are the stories you have told yourself over the years. Some of them are stories that you tell about other people, tribes, cultures, and what have you. But the important thing is that your schemas must be healthy enough to adapt to changes, because life is about changes that happen to us on a daily basis. And you can change your schemas in three ways. Make it happen. One leads to the other, that leads to the other, and then your schemas begin to change. The first is called assimilation. That means that when new ideas, new thought, new beliefs come into you, it wants to challenge the old schemas, your old belief systems. And so the assimilation is what is supposed to allow the new to change the old that you have. And then growth can begin to happen. That's assimilation. Now, if assimilation happens or doesn't happen, you won't then make room for the second thing, which is accommodation. When you assimilate appropriately, you're then able to accommodate that schema, that newness of thinking, of understanding, of changing your belief system. Okay? So assimilation, accommodation, which should then lead to equilibrium. So the third thing is equilibrium. When you are in a state of equilibrium, you are not anxious, you're not nervous, you're not worried, because you are in a state of equilibrium. You're settled into that thought, into that belief system that helps you regulate yourself within the frame of what is happening around you. So that's how you begin to work to rewire your mind. But let me give you a few more points as I close. So number one, you must be able, for this thing that I just gave to you to happen, you must be able to interrupt your negative thoughts. You must be able to catch them when they start and replace them so that each shift will weaken the pattern of your negative thought. Some of us think negative thoughts. We don't even know it's a negative thought. And the ones you probably say is a negative thought may not be a negative thought. But it takes training. It takes being deliberate to begin to learn of these things. Number two, you don't need to begin with the big things. Just start with the little things. Start with the small things and begin to work on them. For example, your neighbor, your friend, your family, or somebody that you know is doing well, quote unquote, doing better than yourself. What do you think about them? How do you manage that thought when you see them prosper or become better than you? You can begin with that and say, why is it that when I see this cousin, this friend, this brother, this neighbor, I get irritated because they have a car and I don't have a car? And I'm using that as an example. Begin with that. Capture it when it does happen. Question yourself. It's not the car. It's not the neighbor. It is the triggers that it evokes in you.